Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am testing out the cameras on the Poco F2 Pro. This video right now is in 4K at 60 frames per second. And how does everything look? How does it do with the wind? Y'all let me know, because again, I love doing these camera tests because people always want to see how the phones can do. Let's zoom in. That's all the way in at 6x zoom. I don't know, it doesn't look too bad. I didn't even know they had a, oh, look at that bike trail up there. Let's zoom back out. Alright, so I'm all the way back out. What y'all thought about that? Actually looked pretty good. How does this video look? Look at the grass. Slow pan of the Texas sky. It is hot in Texas, y'all. Man, it's hot. Definitely hot. But y'all let me know. I'm going to come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Poco F2 Pro. I'm just at my park. The one thing I wanted to tell y'all, I didn't tell y'all in the 60 part, is I do not have a time limit on the video, either at 4K at 60 or 30 frames, which is pretty good. Again, how does that sound? How does the video look? Check out the water. But y'all let me know how the whole video was. I mean, think about it, $499. How's the stabilization too? Because again, I don't have it on the gimbal, and so far I'm really liking this phone. I love the pop-up camera look, slow pan of the sky. I probably will be doing some tests, putting this against my TCL 10 Pro and my V60, just to test it out. But I love doing these camera tests because people always want to know about the cameras. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60 frames. Oh, let me zoom in really quick too. Again, 6x. Not the best, but not the worst. And then all the way back out. One thing you can't do at 4K at 30 or 60 is switch to the wide angle. You can start the video in wide angle, but you can't change the lens. But what y'all think? Y'all let me know. Alright everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames on the Poco F2 Pro. What do y'all think? How does that ground look? I forgot to do a focusing test on 4K, but I didn't see any focusing problems. I've been using the phone for a little bit now, and I'm really liking it. If you had the phone, let me know in the comments. If you're planning on getting it, let me know too. Look, that's zoomed in. Not too bad. All the way back out. But yeah, I'm just walking around the park. Let's go focus on a tree and see if we have any type of focusing problems. Again, how's the stabilization? Man, it is hot in Texas, by the way. Let's see. That's actually pretty quick. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. Again, do you think you're gonna buy this phone? And I know I get a big question about the LTE bands. Hopefully that video or a video I'm gonna post will show you about the bands in the US. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30 frames. Until then, peace. All right, so 1080p at 30 frames per second. What y'all think? Again, how does that sound? How's the mics doing with the wind? Because it is kind of breezy in Texas, even though it's hot. I mean, almost like 100 degrees out here. And y'all let me know how the mics sound with the wind too. So it's windy and hot at the same time. So you get a good breeze, but it's blowing hot air. Make sense? Yeah, I know. Only in Texas. But y'all let me know how everything was. How does that sound? Again, how does everything look? I'm gonna zoom in one last time. This is 1080p 30. I mean, it's doable. It's not the most horrible thing I've seen. Again, I wish I had access to the cameras, the wide angle, when I'm filming, but you know, I really don't. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera just to test it out. I love the little pop-up camera. And if you do open it too many times in a row, it will give you a warning. That's actually pretty cool. But I'm gonna come with the front facing camera soon. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Poco phone F2 Pro. What y'all thought about the 4K at 60 and 30, and then also the 1080p? What y'all thought about it? I'm gonna show photos next, but this is 1080p 30 frames. It does not shoot in 4K on the front of the camera, so I do like the little pop-up though. But how does it look and how does that sound? Yes, I'm just holding the phone, walking in my little park. Look at the sky. No, Leo, I'm not shooting directly into the sun. Shout out to Android Stud. But I think this camera looks pretty good so far. Could you use it for vlogging? I don't know. Look, that's what happens when I shoot in the sun. So yeah, if you're shooting in the sun, it doesn't look so good. But I think everything looks pretty good. But how's the audio? The day is kind of windy out here, so definitely I want to test out the mics on this phone. But I'm gonna come back with the photos and some nighttime video too. Until then, peace.
The Chosen.
I got that heat, let's go.
Bring it back.
Okay everyone, so this is a nighttime video. This is in 4K at 30 frames. Yes, I'm at my famous Big Lots. Let's zoom in. Actually looks pretty good. Zoom out, slowly out, look. But what y'all thought about the video so far? Which one was your favorite? Does it look good? Or do you think I wasted my money? I don't know. Y'all let me know. These lights are messing with the sky a little bit. I don't know. I think they actually look pretty good. I want to zoom in at Walmart. That looks pretty good too. Now one thing I did notice when I was editing the video or trying to even take macro shots using the macro camera, wasn't working out the best. Y'all probably seen the photos already. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. It definitely needs some work, and you do need to take a little bit of time to try to get everything in focus. But the nighttime video looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video next and wrap up this video, and then also some photos too. But what y'all think? Look at the sky. I mean, look at the ground. That's the sky there. It's okay, not too bad. I mean, I don't know how many people shoot video at nighttime, but here you go. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video. Until then, peace. Alright, so this is the nighttime video front facing camera, 1080p at 30 frames. Yes, I'm in my famous little parking lot. I don't know. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty good too. Again, I won't be using the front camera at nighttime too much, but you know, people definitely like to see videos and test out the cameras at night. That light is messing with it a little bit, but y'all let me know, how do I look, how do I sound? Look at the shirt. I mean, it looks pretty good. Again, overall, what y'all think about these cameras? I think they actually are really good. I'm impressed with the photos. The video looks really good too. The only problem, like I said, was the macro camera, the macro shots, the macro lens. Definitely need a little bit more work with that, a little bit of updates. But overall, these cameras are pretty good. I can't wait to put it against, you know, the flagship, the V60, and then also my TCL phone. But overall, I think the cameras are really good. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna drop some photos that I took at nighttime. Y'all let me know how those come out too. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do, because I will have more videos coming up with the Poco F2 Pro. But let's get a friendly discussion going. Are these cameras good for $4.99, or are they really trash? Y'all let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. It's growing every day. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.